Performance evaluation is the process of assessing an employee's work, behavior, and results over a specific period to support growth and improvement. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the employee performance evaluation template step by step, so let's start exploring. So this is the main dashboard of this workbook, where key tools and features are centrally displayed for quick access, user convenience, and overall efficiency. In the top right corner of the dashboard, I've added the current time, which is updated automatically using a macro for real-time tracking and reference. Right next to it, there's a functional command button programmed with VBA, designed to display a daily reminder message or alert notification to keep users informed and on schedule. I have also included dynamic charts in this workbook, and we will learn how to effectively use these two data tables to automatically update the charts in real time. Next to the main dashboard, I have created this detailed performance evaluation report for enhanced data analysis and employee tracking purposes. This report retrieves data from the main structured data table, where if you enter an employee's name into the designated input cell, it will automatically retrieve and display all related performance data for that specific employee. The data is fetched from the source table located in the next worksheet using advanced Excel functions. To see exactly how this feature works and how it's built, please make sure to watch my complete HR workbook tutorial linked in the description. This performance evaluation report can be saved either as a PDF document or as a Microsoft Word document using simple Excel export features and VBA integration. To see exactly how this process can be done step by step, please make sure to watch my full tutorial linked in the description below for more guidance. Now I have also made use of Excel hyperlinks on these shapes to make navigation easier when moving between different worksheets within the workbook efficiently. So let's click this shape to go directly to the Performance Evaluation Records worksheet for faster access. This is the primary worksheet where we are required to enter detailed performance data for all employees. Each employee's information is captured in its own unique row, maintaining data accuracy and structure. The names listed in column D are specifically used in the performance evaluation report to retrieve matching employee data automatically. Next to the records worksheet, I have created a separate worksheet for notes and instructions, intended mainly for those who would like to contact me for template support or professional collaborations. In this worksheet, I have also added functional buttons using Excel macros to simplify interaction and automate navigation. Using a search button helps quickly locate specific employee records without manually scrolling through the entire dataset, saving valuable time. The Add Row button allows you to instantly insert a new row for entering employee data without disturbing existing entries or structure. A Delete Row button makes it easy to remove unwanted or incorrect employee data while keeping the table clean and organized efficiently. The Save as PDF button enables you to generate a professional and printable version of the evaluation report for secure sharing or archiving. The Save as Word button converts your Excel report into a Word document, allowing easy editing and formatting outside of Excel. The Filter Data button helps you narrow down displayed information based on specific criteria, making analysis and decision-making more focused and effective. So basically, these are some of the key performance metrics I have included in this Excel template, ranging from the job knowledge column to the technical skills column. I have also included the employee average ratings and employee total ratings. For the employee average ratings, I am using this formula to calculate the average of each employee's performance metrics across all categories. For the employee total ratings, I'm using the sum formula, assuming that each metric score is worth 10 in this specific example. So, for this employee, on the technical skills category, he initially scored 7. And if we change this value to 9, as you can see, both the total rating and the average rating will automatically update to reflect the new value. Now on this summary table, we analyze the data from the main worksheet using employee names listed in column D for accurate referencing and lookup. For the average employee performance ratings, just change the employee name in cell H5 and then click anywhere, and the summary data for that selected employee will be automatically updated, as you can clearly see. Using this same summary table, we can also determine the number of employees who have received promotions within a specific date range. Simply change the dates in cells F5 and F6 to instantly see the updates reflected in cell G5. We can also analyze department performance ratings using a defined date range. Enter the department name in cell E8 and then enter the date range in cells F7 and F8 to see calculated results in cells G8, G9, and E9 respectively. Now let's navigate back to the dashboard. Immediately, as you can see, the charts are updated based on the data changes we just made in the summary. To update the charts here on the dashboard for an individual employee, all we have to do is change the current employee name in cell G6, which is merged with H6 for clarity and alignment. Enter NAT4 and, as you can observe, the percentages for this specific employee have changed on the chart accordingly. Let's do the same for the department chart now, and as you can clearly see, the chart has also updated. This chart on the right represents the whole department's summary, while the one on the left is specifically for a single employee's evaluation. In conclusion, this employee performance evaluation template is a powerful and efficient tool to help track, manage, and analyze staff performance across various metrics. It simplifies the evaluation process, supports data-driven decision-making, and enhances overall HR management. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials and practical tools. Also, be sure to watch my full tutorial on the HR workbook to see how all the elements come together in a real-world application. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.